YouTube not recommending your videos? Do this now. You can create great videos as a beginner and no one is watching, and this can be really frustrating. In this video, I'm going to tell you a top secret. At the end of this particular video, I will give you a secret that can make YouTube to just start recommending your videos, and that frustration will be out of your life. So stay till the end of this video. Don't hurry anywhere. It's a step by step. If you miss any step, it will affect the next one and it will affect the next one. So this video is very, very important. Just stay calm. Learn every step. If you don't understand anything that I said, in the comment section, ask me. I am particular about your growth. I've given you different tips before, but this particular video is a must watch for you. So be very calm till the end of the video, because it's the end I will give you the main, but everything affects everything. But without the last one, every other thing you've even done is nothing. Okay, so the very first thing that you need to do as a new YouTuber, no subscribers, and let me tell you something. If you go to my channel, check, you will see 20 views in some of my videos. You will see, I think the highest I even have is about 90 views as of right now that I'm making this video. The other ones 15, 13, 12, 10. Do you understand? Until I did this, those videos are great. Some of them are even better than the video that got me over 1,000 views, but I did something that made that video to get me over 1,000 views. Okay, so that is what I'm going to tell you now. So listen very, very well. The first thing you will do is this. You will go to trending videos in your niche. What is trending? If this particular channel, this particular video is trending, look at the title of that video. Look at the thumbnail. Most times they are similar. You are going to create your own using similar. Don't copy and paste. Similar title, similar thumbnail. That's what you will use. That's the first thing you do. Trending videos in your niche. Trending video. I'm repeating it so that you understand, because I told you that it's step by step. It's just 3 steps I'm going to give you, but these 3 steps, they are very weighty, and the last one is the main thing. So trending videos. For instance, the video that got me over 1,000 views in my channel is, if you see the thumbnail, you see go to YouTube Studio. If you go on my niche, almost every creator is jumping around it. Now, some went viral, some did not even get views. It's trending, but not every creator got views from it. But I did, because it is trending, and I did the other 2 things that I'm going to talk to you about. Okay, so the first one, trend on your niche. Very, very important. Now, the next thing you're going to do, create value. That video that is trending, what is it talking about? Do you have experience about what it's talking about? Make sure you have experience. Like, go and test some of those things, because some creators, they actually just talk, and they've not tried those things. Okay, test them out and see how it goes. If you already have experience in it, like in my own case, I already have experience in some of those things. It was, very easy for me, because I understood exactly what those things were. And when you want to produce the video, create quality. The audio must be very clear without noise. The video itself must be valuable. Trending. Now I'm adding the next step, which is valuable video. Very, very good video. Audio, everything superb. Do you understand? I've said 2 things now. The last one, which is the main thing. The last one is, which is the third one, is you will get 4 of your friends trusted in different places of this world. If you have, beautiful. If you don't have, this is a trick, and I will explain why. If you have 4 trusted friends, even if they are in the same country, in different places, beautiful. Just before you make the video public, let them know, because they are going to help you, right? Tell them, this video is going to come probably by 6 o'clock. that 6 o'clock, as a video is coming public, let them click on it immediately and start watching it. Just 4 people. They should just start watching it from beginning to the end and engage immediately by commenting, by liking the video. They should like it and they should comment. They should watch the video till the end. Let me explain. If you remember, I'm not talking about you creating another Gmail account. A lot of creators have said create another Gmail account to watch that video. There is no problem with that. It is part of the hacks. But this one, I'm telling you, this is what happens. First of all, creating another Gmail account. I'm an auditor, so sometimes if you want to track things, it's very, very easy. We can track if it is the same device. We know that, okay, something is going on here. All right. If it is not the same device, if it's another device, location. So that is where I'm going. Your 4 friends that are located in different places, especially if they are in different places of the world. So for instance, you have a friend in India, in the US, in the UK, in Nigeria. Are you understanding? And they watch that video immediately, you drop it. I'm repeating that immediately because that is where we signal the algorithm that this video is actually great. Remember I said you have created a great video, right? So that great video, let the algorithm know that I've spent quality time creating this by this thing I'm telling you. So these 4 trusted friends will watch that video immediately. Algorithm will be like, wow, this video must be really great, and start sending it, start recommending it in different places of the world. And the truth is, by the time your thumbnail is catchy enough, you see that every step affects the other. Your thumbnail is catchy enough, they click on it. Okay? And when they click on it, your hook hooks them and they are calm. They watch the video from beginning to the end. That means your video has gone viral. So if you do this consistently, you see that your channel will grow. Have you seen why? You should subscribe to this channel, because see, the kind of things I'm going to be telling you, they are great. And those of you that don't know how to make friends, this is why you should make friends. Okay? Friends, mutual friends. All right? Great friends that have your back. Very important. All right? So if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Now, disclaimer. I am not saying you should do, but if you try this thing that I'm telling you about, just come and let me know. Did it work or not? Remember all of them. Don't do one and leave one. Then come and say, Blessing did not tell us. No, do everything. And come and tell me thank you. Okay? You will see the difference in your channel. Disclaimer. This is not a must. It's your choice. And whatever you are doing, use wisdom. Very important. On this YouTube street, a lot of advice fly left, right, and center. But you have to be careful, analyze properly, and think, this thing you're saying, does it make sense or not before you act? Because I've acted in some of these things and I don't like the results. Okay, I've made a video about it before, but that video did not give me the views. I will make another video about my experience with that. Thank you. So have a nice day online, depending on where you're watching me from. Bye.